So, a lot of you guys liked my ASMR crystal collection, and I am a beauty channel, so I feel like for the people that like to watch my ASMR videos, and people that like to see my beauty things, I could collaborate. And so if you are interested in seeing my makeup collection and my setup and where I got my vanity mirror, keep watching. And if you like to just watch ASMR videos and want to relax, I hope this helps you. So yeah, let's get started. So this is my vanity. My dad actually built the desk part for me. He got the pieces from IKEA, and the light is from Vanity Girl Hollywood. Here, this is what it says. Vanity Girl Hollywood. It's an online store, and you can get the vanity in any color. I chose white because it goes with the wood that I chose. I love this vanity. It was like my favorite, one of my best investments ever, because I use it every day, and it makes me feel like I am getting ready for Hollywood. And it also comes with outlets, which I find very useful if I'm straightening my hair or I want to charge my phone. So yeah, I love it. This is me, and I'm wearing flowers in my hair because I felt like it. These two makeup holders, because I have so much makeup, I couldn't fit them all in here in my drawers, so I had to get these. But on top I have my makeup brushes. I have also two sections of those. Those ones are like black, white, and my mermaid collection. And then this one is strictly rose gold makeup brushes. I bought a pack a while ago, and then I just kept getting more rose gold brushes, so I have a huge collection. Anyways, this is my eyelash curler, and it's hot pink with gold studs, so it's so beautiful. I love that. Okay. In my first drawer, I have all my lip glosses, which I love lip gloss. I put it on like all day long. These two are the lip injections by Too Faced. I have two of them because I go through them so quickly, because they're the best. Then I have all my liquid lipsticks. I love the Anastasia ones. This one's really pretty. It's this Arena. It's really hot pink, Nicki Minaj vibe. It's for rare occasions. This is deodorant. I have choices, but my favorite is Lady Speed Stick. Right here I have my essentials and my Garnier Skin Active Cleansing Water. Then I have my castor oil, which I put on my eyelashes every night. This is my moisturizer. It's by Clean and Clear. It's the oil free. If you have oily skin and you need a moisturizer, this one is the best one to get. It's perfect. It gives your skin the right amount of moisture without being excess oily. Then I have coconut oil, which I need for so many different reasons. My Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray, my favorite setting spray. Then I have rose water, which I don't really use that much, but once in a while I will if my skin needs moisture. Then I have the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Spray, which I use that once in a while. Then on the vanity, it's actually really cool. There's light settings, so I can make it dimmer. Ooh. Or really, really bright, which I usually leave it really bright. Then I have my little little mirror for like doing my eyeshadow. This is my grandpa's mirror, so it's really special to me. Then I have my eyelashes. I need them right here because they are essential. Okay, so these are my miscellaneous eyeshadow brushes. And then I have the Fizz and Bubble Lip Scrub. This is a mermaid highlighting brush. It's special, so I leave it out. Then in this, I have like very random stuff. I have like mostly samples and my rosebud lip salve. This concealer, it's so great. It literally gets the job done so easily. Yeah. Oh, and I have Babe Lash eyelash serum. Works so good. Filling your eyelashes. Then I have tons of glitter. That goes all the way back there. I probably have every shade that you could probably imagine, but it's needed. Then I have some hand sanitizers and makeup removing spray. This top drawer is all my eyeshadow palettes. Ooh, it's got powder on it, sorry. I have Morphe, my 88 Original, and all this other stuff. Yeah, I won't go through it because I have so many. Let's do that for you guys. Oh, I don't know how that got in there. That usually stays up here. That's my beauty blender. Okay, so this one is crazy because there's so much in here, but I could probably organize this a little bit better, but I'd do my best. I have so many mascaras, like so many. So that's basically all my mascaras. I have an eyeshadow, Too Faced Eyeshadow Insurance eye primer. It's the best one. You can get bronzer, blush. I keep my lipsticks here. And I have some individual eyeshadows, like MAC ones. Wet n Wild. Then I have my Cover FX drops, which I love. I use these like all the time. My setting powder, which I also use every day. An extra eyelash curler, just in case I lose my special one. Here I have all my foundations. I mostly use this one every day because it's light coverage, and I like that. I don't like to look caked. Then I have the Fenty Beauty one, and the NARS Stay Matte, Velvet Matte actually. It's very, very, very good for oily skin. And here I have all my lotions and shower gels. This is a face mask. It's so cool. It's like a lace face mask. It's really hard to explain, but you like put like a lace like cloth on your face. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really, really cool and it works really well. So yeah, this one's filled with stuff. Filled. I love lotions and Bath and Body Works and all that stuff. This is my hair drawer. It's so messy. I'm a little bit embarrassed, but it's okay. Here I have my hair accessories, just like lots of bows and stuff like that. I have like furry scrunchies. This one's a bohemian. I love that one. I have my hair products. I love this. It's the Biolash Smooth Proof Serum. I use this in my hair after I straighten it, and it makes it so healthy and silky. And then my eyelash drawer. I have mostly my heat tools. I have my favorite rainbow curler, straightener, blow dryer, these brushes. Sometimes, if I'm feeling up to it, I'll like blow out my hair, like blow out curls, and this is the perfect brush for it. But that's once in a while. So it's like a satisfying sound. I hope you guys like this. If you want to see anything that I have more in depth, I could do a separate video on it. But yeah, I hope this calmed you down or maybe helped you fall asleep. So yeah, if you liked, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.